Alright, point of this video real quick is just to run through the AMG Agent Starter Kit and what you get. I am here on AMGAgentStarterKit.com. So real quick, some of the basics here. It's $149 a month. There's a $199 one-time setup fee. And the cost to send a text message is 1 to 3 cents. So some of what you're getting on this, the big huge feature we just recently released is you get 1,000 client leads monthly in any territory nationwide. These are going to be business owner leads in any territory basically nationwide, so any city, state that you're looking for leads in. Traditionally we would say focus on your local market at first with the starter kit, sell in person and kind of leverage that. We're going to develop you a professional logo. We're going to set you up a CRM to store all your customer data. We're going to make you a 10-page customer website. That's pretty slick. So you're going to be able to use that to sell final expense, mortgage protection, IUL, whatever you're doing. We're also going to set you up a 3-page recruiting website. Also going to set up appointment booking and verification system. So with the text messages, we're now able to create an appointment booking system where if somebody books an appointment, they can get a text message confirmation and then a follow-up. And that brings me to the text integration. So we're going to set up text integration for your business. That's where you saw me mention the 1 to 3 cents. This is huge. So customers that are reaching out to you, customers that are texting you, we can automate a text response back to them and try to get them to turn into a booked appointment or whatever the goal is. And we're also going to integrate a phone dialer in here. So this is a rapid way for you to make phone calls using our starter kit and dial the data that's in your CRM. So really the big thing is, what is this going to do for your business? It's really meant to be an all-inclusive system to manage your client activities, your recruiting activities, landing pages, websites, texting, any sort of communication that's going on. And then leads, how do we avoid spending thousands of dollars with lead vendors? We start marketing to people right in our own community. Stop buying leads and just start making calls to the data that we can help you get access to. The data we're going to help you access is going to be direct business owners in your community. So these are people that are traditionally underinsured. They're traditionally people that come from service-type jobs. So they're really great leads. These people actually have money. Just traditionally they lack, maybe the traditional means or the normal means to know what to do with that money. So traditionally maybe like a mortgage protection crowd. So good leads, business owners. You certainly have a lot more in common with a business owner than you do someone that you're trying to sell final expense to. So the whole idea with this whole system too is it's meant to be a turnkey system for new agents. So maybe you're happy paying thousands of dollars for leads, but maybe you're trying to recruit somebody into the business that just doesn't have that much money. So for $150 a month, we now have a system here that comes with leads, it comes with the CRM, it comes with the dialer, it comes with websites for validation. We legitimize your entire business for $150 and give you data. So the whole goal here with the selling locally is to eventually start getting referrals. So it's traditionally very tough to maybe get referrals in final expense or anything long-term in that category. When you're marketing and working with local business owners, you have a different role in their life. So the whole goal is to create a long-term referral network here where in a couple years, if you're working your local market the right way, you shouldn't be paying for leads. Go check with your local financial planner in town. Ask him what his lead budget is every month on Facebook. He's going to laugh at you because he's created a local business that he can be proud of where referrals just continue to come in for him. So that's the whole goal here with the working and hitting and pushing on the local market is that you eventually do have a business where the referrals are coming in. And the whole goal also with the local business owners is we're going to reduce churn and also burnout. So, traditionally these people are going to keep the policies longer than maybe somebody that you set up on a final expense type sale or a traditional lead type situation. So how will this system help me? I know we just kind of ran through the whole video kind of going through it, but this is just kind of the before and after effect here. So maybe when you're starting here, you don't really have a low cost way to get leads. Now with our system, you're going to get hundreds of local direct dial leads. You don't have a website maybe right now. We're going to have a 10-page customer website for you. No recruiting website to build your agency, so that means no legitimized branding. So you're trying to bring somebody into the business, and maybe right now you don't have a way to actually do that and to share a website that you can feel proud of. We're going to set you up with a website that you can feel proud to use to recruit. We're also going to set you up with a professional domain for branding. So traditionally, your agencyname.com or .agency we'll come up with something that works for you. We'll also help design a custom logo for you if you don't already have one. Right now, you probably don't have a system to track leads. We're going to set you up with a CRM to track and nurture and store unlimited leads forever. If you're running a business, if you're running an insurance business, you're going to want to have your leads and you're going to want to have them forever. The longer you're in the business, the more leads you're going to accumulate, and you should be able to continue to get value out of long-term nurture and stuff like that from those leads. You may not have a professional calendar system, or maybe you're using Google Calendars. We're going to set you up with a professional calendar and booking system. That system actually integrates with Google Calendars. Maybe you're dialing all your leads from your cell phone right now manually. We're going to set you up with our fully integrated dialer system, and it's going to help walk you through that. And then call recordings. That's also going to be a big, huge win on here is going to be the call recordings. Now you're able to build a sales and training library for selling and coaching future agents. So just a couple easy ways the AMG Starter Kit helps you win. In terms of the 1,000 client leads monthly, let's just have a peek here at a system that we've set up to demo this. So what we have here is we have multiple different pipelines we've set up to manage the outcome here. So the cell phone leads are being deposited into this pipeline. So these are people that we feel that they should reach out to directly. These are all going to be business owners right here. So all business owners. Now the landlines are being sorted into a different pipeline. So you've got different leads in here where it wasn't a cell phone on our scan. So we're still saving that data. We're just not going to pursue it right now. Email marketing. Email marketing is huge, but who do I email market to? So this is a list right here of business owners that we've developed right here in the area for this customer. This customer is in the Virginia Beach area, so we were doing the majority of our searches there. That's why you see some stuff for pools. Get a little bit more of a pool owner pull from that type of the country. But tons of small businesses, most of them all service-based businesses. So right here, this tool was only working for a couple hours, and we've already generated 170 verified, validated email leads. So that means that we tested every single one of these email addresses, and we found that the email address was valid. So that's just from a couple hours of running the tool. That person now has 170 emails in their database that they're going to be able to use forever. And that's just kind of one example of how we're going to help you win here. So if you want to learn more, you can go to the website, and you can always book a time to talk to us by clicking the book demo call, or if you want to move forward right here, and if you want to make a purchase, you can buy right here on the website. So you can pay the $199 setup fee and the $149 a month. So you're going to pay $348 to get started right now, $99. If you want to buy a list of 1,000 licensed agents for 50% off, we've also got this as a special on here. So we'll pull that data in any state and really any city that you want. We can kind of home in on that data for you as kind of part of this purchase. So certainly would love to chat with you about this. Reach out to us, and we'd be happy to get this started.